Max. Who is she? Shoot, where'd I go? Oh, I crossed the street. I forgot I crossed the street. Can I go? I'm going. So, I just got done with my fitting today. I look like I came from the 80s. I had so much fun. So yeah, this is my makeup look. I can't believe I'm here in New York right now. It's insane. Oh gosh, I'm so happy. Like, okay, they found out I was staying at a hostel. They're like, we can't do that anymore. So they're gonna change where I'm staying. That's pretty awesome. So I have to walk 20 minutes to and from set with all this crap, you know? And I'm pretty exhausted from doing that. So no more. I'm gonna be staying like 5 minutes away. Hey, I think this is it. It's probably here because he said there's some walking district and it's next to the meat packing district. And I was like, did you say meat? Like, sign me up. Because this hostel I'm staying at won't allow me to take my meat in down the side of the street. Like, crazy person.
It's pressure.